In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have ChatGPT make a budget from your Outlook calendar. By the end, you'll know how to connect your calendar to ChatGPT and use a single, well-crafted prompt to turn your recent events into a clear, categorized budget. First, we'll get the connection set up. Open the ChatGPT app and head to Settings, then Connectors. Find Outlook Calendar and select it. This connector lets ChatGPT read your calendar events so it can look for patterns related to spending. It's designed for read-only access, which means it isn't changing your calendar. It's just viewing event details to help with analysis. If you use multiple calendars, make sure you know which one you want to connect, so the analysis reflects your actual schedule. Next, authenticate your account. Follow the prompts to sign into your Microsoft account and grant read-only permissions. Take a moment to review what you're granting. This should be limited to calendar access, not email or contacts. If you use separate personal and work accounts, choose the one that contains the events you want to analyze. After you confirm, the connector will be active, and ChatGPT can see your events within the permissions you allowed. Now you're ready to prompt for the budget. Use a clear and specific instruction, like analyze my Outlook calendar events for the last 30 days. Identify recurring appointments that imply cost, e.g. gym, therapy, subscriptions, and one-off events, e.g. travel, dinners. Create a categorized budget table based on these events. This prompt tells ChatGPT exactly what time frame to look at, which types of events matter, and how to present the results. If you want the output grouped by category with totals, you can mention that in the same prompt. You can also specify your currency or ask it to estimate amounts if you include typical prices in the prompt, but otherwise it will focus on identifying and organizing the expense-related events it finds. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will scan your event titles and descriptions for spending clues, separate recurring costs from one-off items, and present a categorized table. Review the results and, if needed, ask it to refine categories, adjust the date range, or add notes about any events that don't represent spending. A small tweak to the wording can help it align perfectly with your budgeting style. That's all you need. Enable the connector, authenticate, and use a targeted prompt. Follow along, and you'll have a simple, calendar-driven budget in minutes.